Welcome to our journey through one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world, the Perito Moreno Glacier in Patagonia, Argentina. Here, amidst the rugged peaks and windswept plains, lies a frozen giant, a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. The Perito Moreno Glacier is a sight to behold, a vast river of ice that seems to stretch on forever. It's a dynamic landscape, constantly changing, constantly moving, a symphony of ice and water played out over millennia. In this video, we'll explore the top places and activities you must experience when visiting this incredible destination. From the thunderous roar of calving ice to the delicate dance of light on glacial ice, prepare to be captivated by the wonders of Perito Moreno. Our journey begins at the glacier's face. Towering over 200 feet, this wall of ice is awe-inspiring. Its white and azure surface hints at immense pressure over centuries. Listen to the glacier groan and crack, it's alive. These sounds echoing are a testament to immense forces. Chunks of ice periodically break away, crashing into the water. This calving is a spectacular display of nature's raw power. Observe the intricate details of the ice itself. Bands of white snow alternate with deep blue stripes, absorbing light. These colors reveal the glacier's age and the forces shaping it. The sun's movement reveals new shades and hues. From dawn to twilight, the glacier's colors constantly change. Light and shadow create a mesmerizing spectacle, a photographer's dream begging to be captured. Yet photos can't capture the glacier's true grandeur. To truly appreciate the scale and grandeur of Perito Moreno, we must venture further. A network of well-maintained walkways snakes its way along the edge of the glacier, offering breathtaking views from various vantage points. These walkways, crafted with care and respect for the surrounding environment, provide a safe and accessible way to experience the glacier's magnificence. They wind their way through the Patagonian landscape, offering glimpses of the surrounding forests and mountains, a reminder of the rich tapestry of life that exists even in this harsh environment. As you stroll along these paths, take a moment to appreciate the sounds of the glacier. The gentle crunch of gravel beneath your feet, the distant rumble of ice, and the sharp cry of a carancho hawk soaring overhead all combine to create a symphony of the senses. From certain points along the walkways, you'll find yourself directly opposite the glacier's face. Gaze upon the sheer verticality of the ice wall, its surface crisscrossed with crevasses and seracs, each telling a silent story of the glacier's formation and movement. Further on, the walkways lead to balconies perched high above the glacier, offering panoramic views of its icy expanse. From here, the true scale of Perito Moreno becomes apparent. It stretches out before you, a vast river of ice snaking its way through the Patagonian landscape. As you observe the glacier from these different perspectives, consider the forces that have shaped it over millennia. The slow, relentless movement of ice, the power of the wind and water, and the constant cycle of freezing and thawing have all played their part in creating this natural wonder. Leaving the shore behind, our journey takes us to the heart of Lago Argentino. Sturdy vessels navigate these icy waters, bringing us face to face with Perito Moreno. The glacier's scale becomes apparent. Towering walls of ice rise before us. Their icy breath sends a shiver down your spine. The deep blue hues are mesmerizing. Streaks of white create a marbled effect. Listen closely to the icy sounds. A low rumble, a sharp crack, nature's power at work. Drawing closer still, the sheer scale of Perito Moreno becomes almost overwhelming. We are dwarfed by towering walls of ice, some reaching over 200 feet above the waterline. The air grows noticeably colder, the chill a tangible reminder of the frozen world before us. And then, a moment of pure magic. With a thunderous roar, a massive chunk of ice breaks free, crashing into the lake, sending a spray of icy water high into the air. This calving, a dramatic and unpredictable event, is a powerful reminder of the glacier's constant state of flux. It is a living entity, constantly growing, moving, and reshaping the landscape. The boat lingers, allowing us to fully absorb the spectacle before us. We are left breathless, humbled by the raw power and beauty of nature's frozen masterpiece. For those seeking a truly immersive experience, Perito Moreno offers a unique opportunity to set foot on the glacier itself. But before we embark on this adventure, careful preparation is paramount. At the base camp, expert guides, veterans of countless expeditions, outfit us with specialized equipment. Crampons with their sharp teeth will provide essential grip on the icy surface. Harnesses and ropes will ensure our safety on this challenging terrain. Instruction complete, we begin our ascent, a single file of adventurers eager to conquer the icy giant. The air is crisp and clean, invigorating our senses as we ascend. Each step forward, each crunch of ice beneath our boots heightens the anticipation. We are about to enter a realm of ice and wonder, a world sculpted by time and the forces of nature. And then, we step onto the glacier. The world transforms. Gone are the familiar sights and sounds of the natural world, replaced by a landscape unlike any other. Beneath our feet, the ice shimmers, a mosaic of translucent blues and whites. Deep crevasses carved by meltwater plunge into the depths of the glacier, hinting at the hidden world below. We navigate this frozen labyrinth, our senses on high alert. The guides, with their expert knowledge, lead the way, pointing out formations of particular interest, ice caves, sculpted by meltwater and seracs, towering pinnacles of ice. The silence is broken only by the crunch of our boots and the occasional drip of meltwater, a reminder that even in this frozen world change is constant. After a day exploring the icy wilderness of Perito Moreno, a unique and rather unexpected experience awaits. Nestled within the heart of the national park lies a bar unlike any other, a bar sculpted entirely from ice. Stepping inside, the temperature plummets, a shock to the senses after the relative warmth of the outside world. The air is crisp and dry, carrying the faintest hint of ice. Your breath hangs in the air, a visible reminder of the chilly environment. But the chill is quickly forgotten as you take in the extraordinary surroundings. The walls, the bar, even the glasses are sculpted from ice harvested from the glacier itself. Intricate ice sculptures illuminated by cleverly placed lighting cast dancing shadows across the walls, creating a truly magical ambiance. The bar offers a selection of beverages, served in glasses carved from crystal-clear ice. Holding one of these icy vessels is an experience in itself. The cold seeps into your hand, a tangible reminder of the unusual nature of this establishment. As you sip your drink, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship that surrounds you. The intricate carvings, the smooth, polished surfaces, all testament to the skill and artistry of the ice sculptors. The atmosphere is jovial, a mix of excitement and disbelief. Laughter and conversation fill the air as visitors from around the globe marvel at this unique creation. The ice bar at Perito Moreno is more than just a novelty. It is a testament to human ingenuity, a celebration of our ability to create something extraordinary in the face of nature's grandeur. The Perito Moreno Glacier is a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. High above, the Andean condor commands the skies. With a wingspan over 10 feet, they soar effortlessly. Their keen eyesight scans the landscape for carrion. They are symbols of power and majesty. The sight of a condor in flight is awe-inspiring. Venturing further from the glacier's icy grip, we encounter the Patagonian steppe, a vast expanse of grasslands and shrublands that stretches towards the horizon. Here, herds of guanacos, wild relatives of the llama, roam freely. These graceful creatures, with their long necks and slender legs, are perfectly adapted to this harsh environment. Their thick coats provide insulation against the cold, while their large, expressive eyes scan for predators. Guanacos are social animals, living in herds that can number in the hundreds. The males, larger and more robust than the females, fiercely protect their harems, engaging in fierce battles for dominance. Their presence adds a touch of warmth and life to this seemingly barren landscape, a reminder that even in the most challenging of environments, life finds a way to thrive. To truly appreciate the colossal scale and breathtaking beauty of the Perito Moreno Glacier, one must ascend to higher ground. Strategically placed viewing platforms provide visitors with unparalleled panoramic vistas. The glacier unfolds like a giant frozen river, its icy tendrils snaking through Patagonia. The sheer size of the glacier is awe-inspiring, a testament to nature's relentless forces. The platforms offer diverse perspectives, each revealing unique aspects of the glacier. Some platforms provide close-up views of the glacier's jagged face, where ice breaks off and crashes into the water. Others offer sweeping views of the glacier's entire length, shimmering under the Patagonian sun. These platforms are a photographer's paradise, offering endless opportunities to capture the glacier's beauty. The platforms offer more than just a visual feast. They remind us of the glacier's ever-changing nature. From here, observe its slow advance and dramatic calving events. The glacier is in constant flux, a balance of accumulation and ablation. Witness the raw power of nature shaping this landscape. While the Perito Moreno Glacier's visual splendor is undeniable, the visitor center offers a gateway to its hidden world. Interactive exhibits unravel the glacier's mysteries, tracing its formation over millennia. Learn about the delicate balance of climate and the diverse flora and fauna that thrive here. The visitor center highlights the challenges facing this natural wonder. Climate change casts a long shadow over the Perito Moreno Glacier. Exhibits detail the impact of rising temperatures on the glacier's mass balance. This information underscores the urgent need for collective action. The visitor center informs and inspires. It instills a sense of responsibility towards protecting this natural wonder. Visitors become ambassadors for the glacier, spreading awareness. They leave with memories and a deeper understanding of its fragility. As the day draws to a close, a remarkable transformation takes place over the glacier. The sun, beginning its descent towards the horizon, casts long shadows across the ice. The sky, a vast canvas, erupts into a breathtaking display of color. Hues of orange, pink, and purple dance across the heavens, reflecting off the pristine surface of the ice. The glacier, normally a brilliant blue, takes on a warm, almost ethereal glow. This spectacle of light and color is a true feast for the eyes. Visitors from all corners of the globe gather at this hour, drawn together by the sheer beauty of nature's grand finale. The silence, broken only by the gentle breeze and the distant crackle of the ice, amplifies the sense of awe and wonder. The sunset at Perito Moreno Glacier is not merely a visual delight, it is an experience that touches the soul. As the final rays of sunlight disappear below the horizon, a sense of peace descends upon the landscape. The air, now cool and crisp, carries the faint scent of ice and snow. The only sounds are the gentle lapping of water against the shore and the occasional call of a bird returning to its nest. In this tranquil setting, one can truly appreciate the raw power and beauty of the natural world. For many, witnessing the sunset over Perito Moreno Glacier is a profoundly moving experience. It is a reminder of the ephemeral nature of time and the enduring power of nature. A moment to pause, reflect, and simply be present in the majesty of the moment. Perito Moreno Glacier, with its towering ice walls and shimmering blue hues, is a photographer's paradise. Every angle offers a new perspective, a new opportunity to capture the raw beauty of this frozen landscape. For those seeking breathtaking vistas, the numerous viewing platforms provide panoramic views of the glacier and its surroundings. Here, one can frame the perfect shot, capturing the vast scale of the glacier against the backdrop of the Patagonian sky. Closer to the glacier's edge, the intricate details of the ice come into focus. Deep crevasses formed by the glacier's relentless movement create dramatic patterns of light and shadow. Seracs, towering pinnacles of ice, rise up like frozen sculptures, each one unique in its form and texture. Capturing the perfect photograph of Perito Moreno Glacier often requires patience. The weather in Patagonia can be unpredictable, with sudden shifts from sunshine to snow flurries. Yet these changing conditions can also create dramatic lighting effects, transforming the glacier into an ever-evolving masterpiece. One might wait hours for the clouds to part, revealing the glacier in all its glory. Or, a sudden burst of sunlight might illuminate a single ice formation, creating a fleeting moment of ethereal beauty. These are the moments that photographers live for, the moments that make the wait worthwhile. Whether you are a seasoned professional or an amateur enthusiast, Perito Moreno Glacier offers endless possibilities for photographic exploration. It is a place where you can truly lose yourself in the art of capturing the beauty of the natural world. And so, we bid farewell to Perito Moreno Glacier, a place of breathtaking beauty and awe-inspiring power. From the towering ice walls to the intricate details of the ice formations, this natural wonder has captivated our senses and left an indelible mark on our memories. We've explored the glacier's many facets, from the viewing platforms that offer panoramic vistas, to the boat tours that take us up close to its icy embrace. We've witnessed the thrill of ice trekking, and the tranquility of sunset over the ice. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Perito Moreno Glacier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next video.